insert a video clip and preview it first. Add a motion effect around here. Set a keyframe at the beginning. Then adjust the scale down the frame position to create an ending effect. Set another keyframe. Then click on the text. Add text. Position the text at the very bottom of the frame. Set a keyframe. Then make the text overlay the entire video. Move the text to the very top of the frame and set another keyframe. That's it. Creating a cinematic ending is so easy. Come try it out on BoolVideo video.